Welcome incoming students. Congratulations on being accepted to Virginia Tech. My name is Vanessa Guerra and I'm the Interim Program Director of Rhizome, a Virginia Tech Living Learning community. As you begin to select your housing options for this year, I would like to introduce you to Rhizome and to our community. Launched by Virginia Tech's College of Architecture and Urban Studies and the Office of Student Affairs, Rhizome is a vibrant academic community designed to complement undergraduate education. Students enrolled in Rhizome will have the opportunity to engage in a multifaceted experience, including a wide variety of curricular and co-curricular activities. Academically, Rhizome is a project-based learning forum that explores global challenges in local communities. One of Rhizome's main goals is to equip students with the intellectual foundations of a project-based learning and systems approach to global challenges. We want you to be able to read the environment of a given issue with theoretical tools so you can formulate practical inquiries, proposals, and therefore recommendations. We analyze the roots, interconnections, and multidimensional character of global challenges in a yearly rotating project that integrates theory and practice. And we do so by exploring the roles that art, design, construction, planning, policy, and governance have in shaping the built and natural environment and bringing about change. So it is truly a multidisciplinary experience. From the well-being perspective, Rhizome provides a supportive environment that encourages you to become aware of your own personal and social development to make a global impact. Although college life is a new and exciting stage, we are aware that it can also bring many challenges. So we offer a mentorship program in which you will be set up with mentors that have previously dealt with similar experiences to the one you may encounter during your college years. We also partnered with Virginia Tech's Hookie Wellness Office to offer various workshops on the importance of proper sleep and nutrition, mindfulness and stress management, financial wellness, strategies to party positively, strategies to recognize healthy and unhealthy relationships, among others. Rhizome will help you build a network of students, faculty, and community members with a shared interest in exploring and addressing global challenges. It will help you identify various cultural and social activities, such as movie nights and trivia nights, to name a few, and volunteer opportunities that Virginia Tech and Blacksburg offer to promote and advocate global impact. Finally, along with two other living learning communities, Rhizome is housed at the new residence hall within Virginia Tech's broader Creativity and Innovation District, also known as CID. As residents and members, you will benefit from state-of-the-art creative and collaboration spaces and daily interactions with the diverse members of the CID vibrant community, a space where individuals working across disciplines come together, explore, and create. In terms of program requirements, there are only two requirements to be part of Rhizome. The first one is that first-year students will enroll in the 3-credit-hour course Acting on Global Challenges during the spring semester. The second one is just to be excited to regularly engage in Rhizome's periodical activities such as seminars, workshops, field trips, and co-curricular activities. We believe that Rhizome's academic and co-curricular activities, academic and social support, and daily interactions will provide a unique college experience. So come join us and apply today.